My name's Lara. I've been an avid 12WBTer for many years on and off, but got the most out of it more recently. I started my 12WBT journey before I got married, did a few rounds back then, and I was very wedding ready. I then had 2 children and fell off the bandwagon a little bit, I suppose. It was just more not looking after myself as much as I previously had because I had other people to look after. My daughter, my youngest child, was 6 months old. It was my birthday and we went out for a lunch with my family and friends, and I remember looking at photos of myself and thinking, wow, like I don't feel like I look like that. That particular photo, seeing that and looking at myself and thinking, I don't want to look like that. That was really the tipping point for me. Then I really got back on track. I really focused hard on what was important for me moving forward, having these kids who were looking at me thinking, you know, yeah, I want to be like my mum and I want to copy what she does every day. So that was really motivating for me. The biggest change, I would say, is my lifestyle. I'm a lot more active. If I don't get my walk in during the day, if it's a work day and then I'm juggling the kids in the afternoon, I make it happen at night. Every day though, I do some sort of movement, some sort of activity. There's no excuses for that. Any last words that I have? It's amazing. It's really improved my life a lot. I'm really thankful that I've gotten back on it and achieved the goals that I wanted to achieve. I feel like I'm setting a really good example for my family, and I've set up a really good lifestyle for all of us moving forward to keep active, to keep being mindful of what we eat, and just to be happier and healthier.